Around the world, young people are starting to sound the alarm for climate change and environmental issues. And actually, over 2/3 of young people want to work in a green job. But the problem is, a lot of them don't have any idea what careers are actually out there. So for that reason, I've teamed up with the IET to show you a few different career options that are available in science, technology, engineering and maths that all play a huge part in helping the environment. So Liena, what exactly is your job?
So I'm a power system engineer.
Okay, I wish I understood what that meant. I don't. Hopefully these guys can help.
Someone who deals with the generation of electrical power.
Someone who powers systems for different engines.
Someone who maybe works with electricity and designs new ways to maybe get electricity out.
They help make the grid that all our power comes from.
It works in a power station and sorts out everyone's power since around the world or something.
So that sounds a little bit complicated. What do you do day to day in your job? What does it actually mean, a power systems engineer?
I basically help energy companies solve their problems and give them advice. And most of the time it's on innovation, how they can decrease their carbon emissions, become more green and sustainable, how they could use new technologies to achieve this.
And do you enjoy working in a job where you must feel like you're really making a difference?
Yeah, definitely. I mean, just the difference that we've seen in energy use, new energy technologies like wind and solar that are now on people's roofs. They aren't just something that scientists and engineers talk about. That's been a massive difference.
What were you good at school? What were the subjects that you really enjoyed that actually help you now in your job?
In high school, I majored in maths and physics. I actually went on to study electronics and telecoms. And in my final semester of final year, I took sustainable energy as an optional subject, and I found it so fascinating. It was the most interesting module that I took in my whole course. So I decided to actually go on and do a master's in that area. So I got a master's in electrical engineering and renewable energy. So yeah, even if it's really late in the day, it's never too late to learn something new and just broaden your horizons.
Amazing. Thank you so much. It's been so great speaking to you and finding out about your job and actually getting to understand it a bit. It's brilliant.
It's been great talking to you too.
It's amazing to think that we can use science, technology, engineering and maths to end up in jobs that actually help make a difference and save the planet. So why don't you try and turn your passion for the environment into a green career? For even more info, head to the website below.